So we've got this big cedar tree in the side yard, and around the base of the tree there's a lot of holes where you can see that cicadas have been emerging. But I never actually see any cicadas coming out of the ground. So admittedly, I'm not a cicada expert, but yesterday I started thinking, maybe they only emerge at night. So last night I stayed up late after my kids had gone to bed, and I came back out here to investigate this tree to see if I could find any nymphs still making their way up. And sure enough, check this out.